Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis, did it on Friday, so that's where the green line here is coming from, and that segues into the first update that needs to be done, and this update comes from just a very foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 0.076 was that key level of support going into today, but you can see right here just good old-fashioned charting. Price broke below it, and that was basically the floodgates opening, and the price fell off a cliff quite a bit all the way down in there. To give some credit where credit's due, though, the bulls did produce some sort of bounce right there, but as far as the overall trend is concerned, the bears are still 100% in control. And as I talked about in the video from Friday, how can you gauge the strength of the bears? Easiest way to do that, as long as the price stays below that purple line, then the bears are in full control. No question about it. So overall trend, definitely still bearish. Sure, this was some bullish action right here, but that's just very short-term action. When you look at more so longer-term price action, use that purple line to gauge the trend of things. And very clearly, that 50-period simple moving average is sloping downwards, which does imply bearishness. Even up there at the 200-period, that pink line, that's also sloping downwards, which implies that the overall long-term trend is bearish at this point too. What about areas of support? As far as that is concerned, it's really just essentially where the bleeding stopped today, and the bleeding stopped down there at 0.0607. So if you want to just call it 0.06, that works too. But to give, again, some credit to the bulls, the bears tried on several occasions to break down through there, but the price did hold strong there. So we'll see if the bulls can kind of fortify this or not, or if the downtrend is just going to continue with a breakdown of 6 cents to that that much lower of lows. But as it stands right now, bulls got a little bit of a bounce. Can they build upon it? The first step in quote-unquote building upon is going to be getting back up above this red line, so we'll see what tomorrow brings. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.